Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon below to get notifications.
The requirement we discuss in this video is perform bulk user updates. What are bulk user updates? What is exam viewpoint? There are some labs to complete. What are bulk user updates? Azure Active Directory supports applying operations on bulk set of users and groups. Basically, Azure provides you with a CSV template that we need to download and fill in the fields that they have requested for and submit it back. Only global admin or user administrator can perform this operation. The different operations that we can perform include creating users, deleting users, restore users, add members to a group, remove members from a group, download member list, group list, and import group members. From exam viewpoint, this requirement may come in as a lab, but there is a chance that it may also come in general set of questions. For lab, they may ask you to download a CSV template and fill in the fields and upload it back and check if the properties are applied properly. And in the set of questions, they may ask who can perform bulk operations. Is it a contributor? Is it user administrator, owner? Yeah. Let us perform a bulk operation. Click users and let us try to delete a couple of users. When you look at the click bulk operations, you have bulk create, bulk invite, bulk delete, and download users. Let us click bulk delete. Now let's download the template file. Show in the folder. Select, edit. Now let's enter the email ID of Sanvika and Serinya. These are the user principal names that we are trying to enter. Click save. Upload the file. The file is uploaded successfully. Click yes and submit. The deletion is in progress and it may take a couple of minutes to process. The process is succeeded. Now let's refresh the screen. You can see that the two emails are